E-Mariner, 36 volts, 9.5 amp hours. Disc brake, 20-inch, 8-speed. At first glance, can you tell this impeccable design is an e-assist folding bike? E-Mariner offers a power pack that is cleverly placed inside the front bag, making it easy to carry. Plug-and-play batteries are very easy to install or remove for better safety. The bag features a rounded design that reduces wind resistance for easier riding. The bag can store a charger and small personal items, offering organized and flexible storage. Built on Dahon's classic K-frame, this model uses high-strength, lightweight aircraft-grade aluminum alloy. Agile yet sturdy, it's crafted with argon arc welding for enhanced structural integrity. It employs a myriad of patented Dahan V technologies. Dahan V further improves the rigidity of the entire bike and enhances the speed of all categories of bicycles. It has been featured in many leading international media outlets, including Bloomberg, Forbes, and Reuters, gaining widespread attention in the industry. The Deltec cable transforms the bike frame into a robust triangular structure, enhancing rigidity by 23% and redistributing the stress in the frame. Deltec endures the most stress, while the folding mechanism has its load reduced, significantly increasing the longevity. Super down tube. With a larger diameter, the down tube is flattened at both ends near the bottom bracket and main tube, significantly increasing coupling strength. Rigidity improves by more than 10% in both vertical and horizontal directions, enhancing pedaling efficiency and ease of riding. Combined with the Deltec system, the bike becomes safer and climbs more efficiently. BA hinge. The 4-link structure ensures secure and reliable locking. The folding and unfolding process is simple, efficient, and quick. The hinge is made of forged aluminum, combining safety and aesthetics. Second-generation Handlepost. Made from forged aluminum with no welds, the second generation. Handlepost offers exceptional strength and durability, with the square taper design on the stem, widened and hollowed clamp ensuring a tighter and more stable lock, significantly improving rigidity and riding safety. A newly designed safety hook automatically locks into place for easy and secure operation. Pagoda-style seat tube. The unique design is round at the top and square at the bottom, increasing frame rigidity by 5.89%. Seat post clamp. The circular structure at the rear end of the handle ensures easy operation and a safe riding experience. Extended aluminum seat post allows for a wide range of adjustments to fit riders of different heights. It seamlessly integrates Dahan V technology using advanced electrical engineering with meticulous attention down to every detail, just to make your ride easier, more comfortable, and safer. The easily readable LCD display shows battery level, assist mode, speed, trip distance, total distance, headlight status, and error codes. Battery status and fault warnings are clear to read at a glance. It uses a 36-volt, 250-watt external rotor high-speed motor, characterized by its small size, lightweight, and high conversion efficiency. Built in with imported CE-marked Samsung battery with 36 volts, 9.5 amp-hours power. The battery management system, BMS, performs like a guardian for the electronics with overcharging safety, short-circuit safety, overheating safety, and other safety measures. The concealed controller employs FOC drive algorithm that, when combined with the torque sensor, seamless integrates electric assistance with your pedaling for energy efficiency, smooth acceleration, and strong climbing performance. Excelling on off-road terrain and gravel paths, it handles uphill and downhill with ease. It effortlessly achieves a range of over 80 kilometers to let you fully enjoy the fun of electric-assisted riding. Its Shimano 8-speed drivetrain offers clear, smooth, and precise shifting. The 53T chainring paired with an 11 to 32T cassette provides smooth, powerful pedaling. The Dahon customized wheels ensure smooth lubrication, can withstand high tire pressure, and offer stable and comfortable riding during quick braking. Dahon's anti-puncture tires ensure worry-free riding on tough roads. Front and rear disc brakes offer excellent braking performance. With over 40 years of history, Dahon's founder, Dr. Han, is regarded as the father of folding bikes. Dahan has been recognized by Guinness World Records as the largest folding bike manufacturer, holding over 500 international patents over the years, including industry-leading innovations. Most folding bikes worldwide incorporate 5 to 6 Dahan folding technologies, embedding Dahon's DNA. Choosing Dahan means choosing trust and quality. With Dahan's perfect folding technology, you're embracing a light, fast, stylish, and refreshing new lifestyle.